Hey, I'm in my classroom. I think I'll give you an instructional here. This is the ash box, and that is the air inlet. That is the chimney. That is the grease fitting. And let's see. This is the hopper or firebox. That's the hopper door, and these are the hot coals, and these are the coals yet to be lit. This right here is where the hot air comes in, and it goes along this little removable baffle that's right there. While we're trying to get this to heat up. See, what we're wanting here is an updraft, an existing updraft before we ever put any coals into the hopper, okay? So make sure your grease trap is closed or blocked. Like many of you, it just goes straight out. So block that up, I don't know, with a towel or something like that, or a cap, and get this door shut. And then if you have a thermometer, wait until that thermometer registers at least over 200 degrees. And you start seeing a flow of steady smoke coming out. When that happens, dump your charcoal, close your hopper door, crack this open, keep this open, and make sure this door is shut. Okay, so what we're going to do is show you one of the ways you can use, you can light this. I suggest anybody who has a cabinet smoker, especially when it gets cold, really should have a weed burner. But what you need to do is get this hot and get an updraft in here and get all the walls and the door hot where you actually have an updraft before you even put any coals in it. I don't know if you can see. Still has a little bit of ways to go, but I'm getting ready to start up the heating process of the cabinet. So I'm going to open up this valve just a little bit. This valve a little bit so I can hear it. We're all heated up, and now we're going to close the cabinet. Notice it's registering hot. The cabinet's now sealed. I don't even know what this is going to end up like. And let's see. I can feel, I can't hold my hand over that. So now it's drawing from here. Open up the hopper. Put my coals in front. I guess we started, well, we'll find out later what time we started because I had the ring camera. I guess we started about 6:50.
It keeps you alive, a boogie woogie, boogie woogie, boogie woogie country girl. Well, I mean, what I mean, my boogie woogie country girl. Now when she
Flame coming up from here. That's all the charcoal I'm going to add to start off with. A period of football. There's only one place this thing is little there. It's right here. I'm going to give it a little bit extra flavor. So right now, I'm going to keep, this is more than enough open. I'm going to keep this open. This is open. It's about, it is 6:21. The coals have been in here for 7 minutes. I think about 6 minutes ago I shut the hopper. So the only air that's coming in is from the crack in the ash door and the actual inlet for air. If I open that only is wide open. I have logged on to Share My Cook. Now, one of the things I love about Share My Cook and the way BBQ GURU does this is whenever I used to try with the blue, with the, what do you call it, the blue tooth, especially with Inkbird, it would crash at some point in time and then I'd lose all my data and have to start up all over again. Sometimes I would back up and lose it. But this, no matter what happens, is is always kept. What was it, 6:30? We closed the ash door. Take a look at the data. This is what you want to take a look at right there. You'll notice that there's a line there that says 260. It is unaffected by that door shutting. So you really didn't need that much more air. So let me tell you what's happening. This right here is sealed, so nothing is coming down. This is sealed, nothing's coming.
Count it. All along the watchtower, Princess kept a view, while the women came and wept, barefoot servants too. Outside in the cold distance, a wildcat did growl to right were approaching, and the wind began to howl.